Hey, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today, I'm always excited because you know what? I was looking at the charts and it actually went down as planned, guys. We had two positions right here on this entry level of 0.0021. I'm super pumped. I think it is a 30% move. I'm going to show you guys right now as well. So let's get this measuring tool out. Let's measure the move. Let's go here. So exactly 30%, 30.98%. I'm super excited. Okay, so a lot of my students and close friends, they of course took this trade. They do watch this channel. They said this trade was actually a good trade, and I'm super happy. A lot of people didn't believe in the trade. I understand why. A lot of bad news, a lot of things going on with Ecomi, and a lot of broken promises. A lot of people talk about brokers and all that. They didn't come true. So I totally understand why they're in the negative bias in this moment. So guys, believe me, it is hard to believe where this project is going, especially with all the news and a lot of people talking bad about it. But don't let their opinions dictate what you're gonna do, guys. At the end of the day, they don't pay your bills, you pay your own bills. So please be smart with the decisions that you guys take. I am gonna run this through. I'm gonna tell you how we're in profit and how you guys can be in profit as well. But remember, guys, and the most important thing I could truly say, this is not financial advice. Everything that I do say is things that I do, and it shouldn't be what you do. You could take advice, do whatever you need to do, but guys, do your own research. I don't want you guys to lose any money that you guys don't have, so please don't bet your house or your boat or something crazy like that, guys. Make sure you understand this market. Today, I'm going to go through this. I'm going to show you the moves from the A to the B to the Z, and everything's going to make sense, okay? So let's get started. Right here, we have the prices move up, made a rally. This line of support and resistance, this trend line, is a great line. If you guys could look very carefully, look at this. It did not break to the top. It did not break to the top. All right, it did not break to the top. You see the candles on top, guys. It did not close. Let me zoom in for you guys, okay? Let me zoom in there. It did not close on top of this line. That means there's a lot of selling pressure, guys. If it broke to the upside and it held its zone, that is a buying opportunity because the markets were broke, the lines were broke. So let me pull it back to the chart. Okay, so right here, guys, this trend line goes deep into the bottom. Okay, right here, if you guys don't see that, I'm going to explain to you guys what you want to see and what you don't. You guys see right here, it did break to the upside. This is a strong bullish move. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles pressuring, rallying to the upside. And then we got a rejection right here. Okay, so on top of the line, it found support. Not underneath, on top, it found support. Okay, look at this rejection line. And you can see the pin on the bottom, the line, the tail on the bottom is longer, the wick. You see how short this is? So selling is short while buying is strong. So that's why we moved to the upside. Okay, then it came back down. It's finding more support, guys. It's totally fine. And with this trade that I do like, I could move one of my take profits all the way up to break even. So I am basically making money, okay, guys, without any risk. That's what breaking even is. When you move your stop loss to the beginning of the trade, so you execute it very well, okay? I wanted to take this trade because I seen something that a lot of people did not see. So I'm going to draw it out for you guys. So let's get into the chart, make it slower. I also did not put the RSI, stochastics, and also my other indicators like the MACD. Reasons why. I wanted to show you more of the fundamentals of Japanese candlesticks. So these are, guys, called Japanese candlesticks. I will do another video on this too. I want to do a lot of videos so you guys learn as well. And this will be good for you guys so you guys can honestly move forward and just be happy with the progress of your education and knowledge in this market, okay? So let's get started here. So right here, I'm going to get the arrow tool, guys. I'm going to put it all on the wicks that I see that is going to make a difference, okay? So firstly, let me just get a horizontal line for you guys. Let's put it right here, okay? So we put the horizontal line right here. I'm going to pull it in smaller for you guys right after. Just let me draw all these lines out for you guys. So there was a rejection right there to the downside. Once again, there was a rejection right here. Perfect. Right here, guys, there was a rejection right there. There was a rejection right here. Also, guys, you got to understand, look at this. And right here, it found support right there. Okay, so let me make this zoom in for you guys so you guys see it better. So right here, you can see that the market went up. It found resistance underneath the support. So when it found its support on the bottom, guys, it went all the way back up, all right? And it found resistance on the bottom, guys. It went back all the way down. It broke to the top. Look at this. This is support. This candle found support. Okay, guys. Also, right here, this is very similar. Right here, another resistance, guys. Another resistance. And once we broke to the upside, guys, once this candle broke to the upside, look at this. Exactly. It's finding little support right here. You see this candle? It found support. This would have been a big red candle. But look, guys, the wick and the pressure of the bullish move pushed it all the way back, all the way to the top. Okay, guys. So this is great to see. Seeing all this support here, guys, it is amazing for Omi, Vivi, and Ecomi collectors, guys. This is an important part. This is where all the people that were indecisive Ecomi and Omi, the token, of course, they wanted it to just go down. They didn't believe in the project. They didn't believe in what was about to happen. But you know what, guys? From this moment, I knew that the VV-verse, I knew something big was going to happen. I know they let us down with all the brokers and taking the time. And I also heard that this coming up Thursday, there isn't a drop. So like I said, I understand why, because they are in immutable and they are working on different things on that layer. So I totally understand. You want to make it bulletproof, and that's the way they're going, and I like that. I don't believe Omi, the token, will ever come back to these lower prices, guys. I think that this is a steal. This is like walking into a bank and just getting $5 without you doing absolutely nothing. This is a steal, guys, and that's why I'm so passionate about this, because I really do see the potential of this coin. And guys, you need to do your own research and understand that this coin is going to be bigger than life itself. Okay, guys, this NFT project is big because this price they see at this very moment, it doesn't deserve to be that low. So I do believe in the project, guys. Once again, I'm going to show you more of analysis and telling you guys where I think it's going to go. So when I move it all the way back to here, I'm going to go to the side here, guys, and I'm going to take out this bar pattern. I'm going to put it from the bottom of that to the top of that, get this initial move, bring it all the way to the bottom, guys. Okay, I'm going to put it where I exactly bought this position, bought this trade, bought this price. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly where I think it's personally going to go to. This is lowballing it. You know, you don't want to be greedy, guys. Greed will always take away money from you. Don't be greedy in the markets. Okay, guys. Once again, I'm going to put out my horizontal support. Once I put on my horizontal support, let's look left. History always repeats itself. Look at that. Historical data is important. Look at this. Rejection, 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 support. Look at that, support. So you could tell this line is perfect. Why is it a coincidence, guys, that when I took this move, this pattern, and I placed it on this side, why is it coincidence that it landed right on another support and resistance zone? It's not a coincidence, guys. This is how smart money always makes money. All right. And this is why a lot of people, like retail traders, they don't understand this. And this is the problem. This is why you guys lose money. Go and you believe some guru that can change your life, guys. Honestly, the only way you could change your life is if you put in the work, put in the education, guys. I'm telling you, you will see so much growth, okay? Once again, I'm going to wait for this move. I think this is a little bit short-term move, of course, because we are looking at a future price prediction. A lot of people are saying $1, and I could tell you guys it is possible. I'm not here to put air in your butt and try to tell you and get your self-esteem all the way to the top of the moon. No, this is not about that. This is about what this fundamental coin can do, okay, guys? So once again, this is the projection that it has made it to go up there. I could do that as my take profit 3. That's totally fine. But once again, I want to see it break more to the upside, find some kind of support it could find on the back of this trend line. Okay, guys, then it needs to push up. I would not want to see a move that just goes all the way up. I wouldn't want to see a move right here that just goes all the way up. I need to see a pullback, go up, pull back, go up. It's like climbing stairs, guys. You want to find basic support sections where you're fundamentally sound, as in whenever you walk, it can hold your weight. That's why we need to build this throughout the series of going up, guys. This is very important for Ecomi, okay? Other than that, I got some good news. I'm super, super happy that we did change to Immutable. I think Immutable is such a great place for art and just creating your own vision. And that's the key, your own vision. And Ecomi has a vision, guys. So right here, when I go back to the VV Digital Collectibles, I was so cool and surprised that we see VVverse, and I'm super excited, guys. If you don't know what the VVverse is, guys, you need to do some research, but this is gonna make you realize that life just starting. Okay, this is 1% of what is possible. So you know, you can have your cars racing, guys, you can have your collectibles fighting. I think that's so cool. You know, imagine having Monopoly. I think that would be so dope, because I'll play Monopoly with my friends. Just having so much things to do on here is another place for you to go. And the way that the community and the environment has been changing from 2019 to 2020, you could see everything is being mobile now, guys. Everything's on the phone. Everything's about new things. I'm super excited, but another excitement for me, I'm super happy about this, the virtual showrooms. Finally, guys, we could walk through into our showrooms with AR, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I've been always wanting to do this. I can see they put new flooring. This is dope. Look at this. This looks like a real nice museum. And the best part about it, it's all in your hand. This is yours. No one could tell you it's not yours. And whatever you put in it, it's just going to make it more beautiful. Everything that you know from day 1 to day 2 as a kid, it can all be in the showroom, and that's what's so amazing. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to repeat it again, guys. I am going to move my stop loss maybe a little bit higher to break even. I do not want to lose any position. I do not want to lose any money. I want to break even. So if I do make a rally to upside and comes back down, guys, I am not going to lose any money because I put break even. That's exactly where I took the trade. The other trade, I am going to maybe leave it on the bottom. Reasons why: if it does make a lower move, if it does break this line, guys, if it does break this trend line right here, then I could see it going down, retesting the back of that trend line, guys, and then going all the way down. But, you know, I seen it fundamentally that this line was holding right here. It held really well. Push to the upside, guys. We had a push to the upside, and I'm super excited. I really do believe it's going to go up here. Find some kind of support maybe, or resistance, of course. Find some kind of supports on these levels over here, okay? And then it's just going to go all the way to the top, guys. And this is just a start. We're just fueling up. If you do have OMI, that's great. If you do want better positions, guys, this is a great time, okay? Once again, hopefully this helped you out, and I can't wait to do more analysis and see where the price is gonna go. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you for the support. Love you guys, and can't wait to show you more. Take it easy. Bye.